We're going to be asking and answering informational questions this week. So it's another way that we can ask for very basic information, and some of them are going to get the same answers that we saw in our introduction dialogue, but we're asking it in a different way. So first, let's go over the vocabulary. We have nombre, apellido, which is your last name. A lot of people from Spanish-speaking countries will have two last names. They'll have their paternal last name from their dad, and they'll have a maternal last name from their mom. Not everybody, but maybe 95% will have two last names. Fecha is the date. Nacimiento refers to birth. Lugar, place. So we'll see these two together in date of birth and place of birth on the IDs. Dirección is an address. Ciudad is the city. Edad, age. And then we have our genders, femenino for feminine, or masculino for masculine. Even though a feminine person would be a female, when we're talking about sexo, the sex of a person, that's going to be a masculine word. So this is still going to remain with an O because the adjective has to agree with the noun. And then we have two possessives that we're going to use. We're actually starting backwards, but you'll see why in a couple minutes. So when I ask, ¿Cuál es su nombre?, I'm asking, what is his or her, su, name? And then when we go on to ask about you, all we're going to change is the su to tu. So it's going to be a really easy change to asking about someone else and then asking directly to a person. I'd like for you to look through the ID and to write down the answers to the questions. I'm going to help you with the first one as an example. ¿Cuál es su nombre? I'm going to look up here. Under nombre, I can see it's Angelica Luz. And I'm going to write the answer. Su nombre es Angelica Luz.